Hello guys. It's me. I'm eating an apple. The English way, you see. Eat it round and round. That's what I'm doing. Don't ask me questions, because I don't even answer. You came on my video to watch me, so don't ask me questions. Aren't you embarrassed to be here? Why did you open my video? Danyaya. You wanted to see me eating an apple. I don't have anything to say. I'm just eating an apple. I finished my run. And that's my exercise for today. And I'm eating my apple. Look. This is the English way. So I want to show you the proper way of eating an apple. That's the proper African way of eating an apple. Look at this apple. We kill it. Proper killing it. It's an apple. Look. With all the seeds. Everything is healthy. We don't leave anything. We masticate it. Seeds don't kill you. Nothing on an apple kills you. Okay? Even that. Eat everything. Ta-da! I'm finished. That's exactly how you eat an apple. Not playing with food. You've never been hungry, you people. You have everything. That's why you throw away seeds and every bit that is on the fruit. We eat everything in Africa. We eat it. I killed it. So don't ask me what I was doing. I was just eating an apple. That's all. That's all you came here for. Love you guys.